Hello YouTubers, I welcome you once more. Uncle Pythagoras signing in. Today we're going to do the sequencing series whereby we are going to check the sum as given that Sn is equal to 4n squared plus 1. Then they want you to determine T6 for 3 marks. So for you to determine T6, you start by saying Sn is equal to 4n squared plus 1. Sum number 5 is equals to 4 into 5 squared plus 1, which is going to be 101. You go and do S6, you're going to get 4 times 6 squared plus 1, you're going to get 145. Then T6 is going to be S6 minus S5. Your S6 in this case is 145 minus S5, 101. Your answer is going to give you 44. Term number 6 is going to be 44. Right, we're going for number 3.2. 3.2 says, for which values of x will the following series converge? This is, when you check it, this is 4x minus 3 closing the bracket to the power 1 plus 4x minus 3 closing the bracket to the power 2 plus 4x minus 3 closing the bracket to the power 3 and so on. This is a geometric sequence where we have r is going to be, oh by the way, this is 3.2. You find that r is equals to 10 to divide by 10(1), which is 4x minus 3 times 4x minus 3 divided by 4x minus 3. This cancels that. You are left with r equals to 4x minus 3. The common ratio. Right. They say that what?
For more maths, life science classes, please follow me on YouTube, Uncle Pythagoras. Thank you.
In between minus 1 and 1. R must be in between minus 1 and 1. Then you know that minus 1 is less than r, of which our r here is 4x minus 3, which is less than 1, of which r must not be 0. Our r must not be equal to 0. Then we take this 3 on the other side of the equation, which is 3 minus 1 is less than 4x. We take it that side, it's 1 plus 3, of which r, our r is 4x minus 3 must not be equal to 0. Right? We take 3 minus 1, it's 2, it's less than 4x, it's less than 4, of which 4x must not be equals to 3. You divide here by 4, you divide here by 4, you get a, divide by 4, you get a 2 over 4, which is 1, over 2 is less than x is less than 1, of which x must never be equals to 3 over 4. Now, as you can check, this is our critical values, where x lies between 1 and half. but it must never be equals to 3 over 4. That is the answer. Now we're going for question number 3,3. 3,3 says calculate the sum up to 5 when k starts from 3 of minus 1 to the power k times 2 over k for 2 marks. Let's find a place where we will work. We will work it through here. Here. Right, as we are busy doing that, preparing for the next question, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And do not forget to comment. The comment is the most important one. So they say here calculate there. In order for us to be safe, here it is just to show you how do you do it. You say top minus bottom. Top minus bottom plus 1 must give you the number of terms. So in this case, our top here is 5. You say 5 minus bottom is 3 plus 1 is equals to number of terms. Let's say Tn for that matter. So it's 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then the number of terms is going to be 3. You know that we must have 3 if we expand this. We're starting from minus 1 to the power k. K starts from 3 multiplied by 2 over 3. You come to the second one. You say minus 1, 4 multiplied by 2 over 4. You come to the third one. You must have the third term, the 3 terms. It's going to be minus 1 to the power 5 multiplied by 2 over 5. So if you can check, this is one term. This is another term, the second term. And this one is the last or third term. So this was for our safety, so that we cannot exclude, we cannot exceed 3 terms, or we cannot make less than 3 terms. We go for exactly 3 terms. Right. So the next thing that you do here is for you to negative, if the odds negative is going to be negative 1 multiplied by 2 over 3. The negative raised to the even number is going to be positive multiplied by 2 over 4. Here it's negative 1 multiplied by 2 over 5. Minus 2 over 3. Here it's 1 over 2. Here it's minus 2 over 5. Remember, this we must add. You're adding them. You're adding them. When you add this, you are going to get a minus 17 over 80. Here, I give you the clue. Your LCD must be 3 times 2 times 5, which is 8. Then you will come eventually to minus 17 over 30. More of this sequence and series. If you have the question, please post it on my the box in the comments, so that we can work through it together, so that we can improve our marks. Remember, this is a practice session for revision. We need to engage ourselves more and more. Do not forget to subscribe, because when you subscribe, you'll get to view the other viewers, so that the notification is going forward to tell you that there is a video waiting for you, so that you can get more of the exposure of mathematics. Thank you very much, YouTubers. I like to be with you. I like to be at your service. Have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.